Welcome back to Truck U. One thing that we, along with everybody in the surrounding buildings, noticed when this truck arrived is that it's loud, right? And we thought that was pretty cool, but of course that was during the daytime. So what we thought we would do is install this system from Valvetronic, and it is going to make everybody happy.
Yeah, you know, it gives you the best of both worlds because you can be loud and proud when you want to be and also quiet when you have to be, unfortunately. You know, and the way it does it is it has a valve here that when you hit a button, it allows you to bypass the muffler or utilize the muffler. The cool thing, too, is it's new valving inside the Valvetronic's mufflers and where it uses the same outlet no matter if you're bypassing or not. This way, you're not going to get an annoying drone either way, and exhaust gases are going to exit the vehicle and not end up inside the cab.
I will say this, as the father of a son who got conservatively probably a half a dozen or so tickets for loud exhaust, this would have been a great thing to have a couple of years ago in his truck.
All right, watch this. This is pretty cool.
This is cool.
And the cool thing is, with the touch of a button from the remote control, you can go ahead and power this thing up through that little box, and via vacuum, it opens up the bypass, and there you're bypassing the muffler, and as you get that nice loud sound, and you hit the button again, closes it off.
I like it. Cool. All right, old muffler's out of the way. Let's go ahead and start getting these in. Now we can take a look at how the Valvetronic system is going to fit up in here, right? Because we got two coming in, two going out.
Right.
Right?
We got to have to try to stack them just right so they all fit.
Yeah, we do. Plus, that's a 2.5, and that is a 3. So basically, you got a couple different configurations with these that you can get, a couple different opening size options and layout options too. Like this is the single all the way through. Like boom, one in, one out. But we got other options as well.
Yeah, you know, you can go. There's one in, two out.
Yep.
Two in, one out. I mean, there's all different kind of ways you can go, and also different sizes too. So what we're gonna have to do is use an adapter going from the 2.5 inch to the 3, and then we're already 3 out.
Yeah. So basically, where was that? Oh, this is. I had it right there. Right. So that's gonna go there. Right, that's gonna go there. And then there'll just be one more pipe to do right next to it.
All right, hold that real quick. I'm gonna come over and weld it. You got that? You good?
Yeah, take your time. Go get it all set up. I'll be here in about 20 minutes.
Wow, man, that's a huge difference.
It is.
It's so much quieter with that new Valvetronic's exhaust on this thing.
We can actually have a conversation.
Right,
You know?
like gentlemen.
It's nice.
But then when we want to be a little unruly, we can go do that too.
We can do that too. Yep, just a simple adjustment. All right, so I dig that.
Flip of a switch and we can get loud and proud, and I like it.